We use a special camera that scans and measures the interior of the property. Once the scans are completed, we have several different options that we can do with the information. The first is a walkthrough mode. The potential buyer can do a self-paced tour of the home from top to bottom. This is a great way to reduce foot traffic to the property, but still offer an option to do a walkthrough virtually. Buyers can digitally navigate your client's home without ever stepping foot through the door. Our Matterport camera provides a detailed 3D scan of the home. Not only does it create a virtual walkthrough, but a detailed floor plan. This floor plan then allows potential buyers to measure space in the home to know if their desk will fit in the corner, or if the couch will fit in the living room, or even how they want their kids' room set up. Overall, an amazing way to represent your listings to potential buyers. The final option is the dollhouse view. This is a unique perspective. Buyers can truly see how the home is laid out. For instance, this one is a great option being that it's a 2-story. You can see what rooms are over top of each other, and by spinning the model itself, you can get an even better perspective.